Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI Redmi 13R and I want to show you how to clear apps from cache and data on this device. In the first step to clear apps from cache and data, we must navigate to the settings where we have apps option. In it, manage apps. And there we have a list of applications on our smartphone, and we choose application which we want to clear, maybe camera, and there we can click clear data. And after that we can click clear all data or clear cache and confirm by OK, and after we press now we can clear all data. And that's all, we have this information there. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!